Here's how to use keyframes in CapCut. Now, if you're in CapCut, an essential part of editing is using and understanding keyframes. I'm going to show you a couple use examples on how to use them and how they work. So let's open up CapCut here, tap on New Project, and let's just tap on, say, this video right here and hit Add. So on here, I can basically tap on the video, and if I wanted to add a keyframe, you can see there's a little play button, and to the right of it is a diamond with a plus that adds a keyframe. And essentially what a keyframe does is it says, at this point in the video, capture everything. And then at a different point in the video, you can add another keyframe, and then you can capture a different action or a change in the video. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's tap keyframe here. And then I can scroll over a bit and tap it again. Now, what I'm going to do is I basically essentially told it to capture what the video looks like now. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. And now you can see what it will do is it will, between these two keyframes, it will zoom in. And then after that keyframe ends, it won't do anything else. However, let's tap back here and I'll show you another cool example. Let's tap overlay at the bottom center, tap add overlay, and go to photos. And I have this photo of baby Grogu, which I'm also going to use keyframes for. So let's say this photo of Grogu, let's make him a bit smaller, and I am going to make him over here. Now, what I will do is tap on the video and scroll over a bit towards here and tap on the keyframe again. I'm going to tap on Grogu and I'm going to move it over here. So essentially what that does is it tells this video from this portion to this portion, I want you to move Grogu in that direction. So now you can see I have added that keyframe in there. And let's hit play. Oh, let's go back here and hit play. So you can see it zooms in and then Grogu has moved. Oh, sorry about that. I need to add another keyframe over here and put him back. And then there we go. So go to the beginning. You can see one keyframe changes basically a zoom in. There's a zoom in, and then Grogu appears and he slides over to the right. So this is great for any kind of animations, overlays, all of that stuff. Basically, you can control and edit things within your keyframes, and essentially it'll take within that keyframe as whatever edits you did, and then you can treat it differently after the next keyframe. You can change things up a bit. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.